Speaking of computer components, chipmaker Qualcomm is investing $97 million in Geo Platforms. Geo Platforms, I'm sure you're aware, Will, this is the big player. This is the big piece, the big communications company headed up by Asia's richest man, which people tell me when I posted the article, India's richest man. He said, hey, Lou, get it together. That's Asia's richest man. I was like, whoa, easy. Sorry about that. Okay.
Sheesh.
Didn't get the term. Well, he's India's richest man too.
Yes.
So anyways, they want to improve their relationship as you would if you were a chip maker, as you would if you were interested in 5G. Biggest telco in India is going to be deploying all kinds of 5G equipment very soon. And Qualcomm they would want to be along for that ride, testing their devices and their upcoming chipsets. So this is, believe it or not, this is not a lot of money. Mm-hmm. What's this guy? Ambani has a net worth of 58 billion. So 97 million, wait, what? Who cares, right? I mean, the company, I'm sure, is worth even more than that. It actually only accounts for a 0.15 stake in the company through its venture arm. So it's not a significant amount of money, but it actually kind of reminds me to a certain extent of Sony's investment in Epic Games that we reported on recently, that we talked about. And what it is it's kind of a gesture. It's a handshake. It's a corporate handshake. It says, we support you, you support us. We need a little information. We want to run a test. We want to do a thing. You want to reference us. You want to talk to us. If we're building the devices that eventually end up on your network and the equipment that goes into the devices that eventually end up on your network, we should have a better dialogue, an open dialogue, and we should be invested in each other's futures, which is what this kind of comes down to. Qualcomm is the second chip maker to pump money into Geo Platforms after Intel invested $253 million to pick up a 0.39% share. The U.S.-based chip maker is a key pillar in 5G development, especially when it comes to mobile phones. The investment can help both companies test 5G in India. Ambani, which is Reliance's chairman, Reliance, the company, what would you say? The
parent company?
Parent? I don't know. I think that it's just, Geo, I guess, is a brand underneath the Reliance company. Anyway, he said, Qualcomm offers insights that will help us deliver our 5G vision. Here's a quote. Qualcomm has been a valued partner for several years, and we have a shared vision of connecting everything by building a robust and secure wireless and digital network and extending the benefits of digital connectivity to everyone in India. As a world leader in wireless technologies, Qualcomm offers deep technology know-how and insights that will help us deliver on our 5G vision and the digital transformation of India for both people and enterprises. He's gonna run for leadership eventually. You keep busting out quotes like that. Anyway, Geo is raising a boatload of cash. That's right, I would call it that. $15.73 billion from 13 different investors in the past few months, including names such as Facebook, Silver Lake Partners, and General Atlantic. You can add, of course, Qualcomm to that list now. I would say people are interested in India and this expanding telecommunication setup, 5G setup, and the potential to connect, well, billions of people.
Right on.
Holy moly.